How do I get funding clients? If I could just get one client, that would be the difference maker. I just need one client and I'm going to make all this damn money. This is what I hear all the time, whether it's DMs, calls, or whatever, when it comes to people that have a funding business or people that are trying to start a funding business. You just need one client, right? In today's video, I want you to watch the entire video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you and show you the number one secret that a lot of people are sleeping on. I don't see people talking about this. A lot of people are sleeping on when it comes to getting more funding clients, business funding, personal funding, whatever you want to call it, right? And this is going to be universal what's the word? Universally applicable, right? I'm over here butchering my words like I ain't the one the spelling bee when I was a kid. That's besides the point. So the secret, it's not a secret, but people don't really talk about it. The secret is saying fuck your schedule. What do I mean by that? Being available when a client is available. You have to be available when the client is available. What do I mean by that? You typically have like your standard of okay, I'm available from this time to this time, right? But it doesn't work like that when it comes to hold on. Sorry, my phone. I'm doing all this stuff. We're not going to edit that out. So you have to worry about the client and when they're available. Meet when they're available. I used to work at 9 to 5. I worked at 9 to 5 as a chemical engineer. Those of y'all that know what it is, that's what it was. My business is my 9 to 5. That's what's been my 9 to 5 since I left my 9 to 5, right? So this is like my work. This is my life and everything. So I've had to have a mindset shift where I'm just in the mindset of I'm going to be available when the client's available. So open up your calendar, make more availability on your calendar. It might seem super, super simple, like, okay, just make more availability. But that was really the difference maker for me when it came to getting more funding clients. And it doesn't even necessarily mean that it has to be directly getting more funding clients. It led to more sales calls and more sales calls, more conversations. Just by numbers is going to lead to more clients. It's going to lead to more money. I think y'all catch my drift when I'm saying that. So don't worry about your schedule. If a client is saying, I work a 9 to 5, I'm not available from 9 to 5, right? I used to struggle with this, right? I'm acting like I didn't work a 9 to 5 as a chemical engineer. When I first left my 9 to 5, I would have my schedule pretty much available from 9 to 5 because, my business became my new 9 to 5. So I would meet people and then I would be seeing like we weren't really getting booked calls as much, right? But when I expanded my availability and I let people, pretty much I go based off of when they're free. I would let people do what they need to do. Sometimes you got to get scrappy with this. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be on your actual calendar, but you want to basically just it's just the art of serving the client, being of service to them. If a client works a 9 to 5, right? When we talk about business funding, a lot of these people you may come across, they may just be in the beginning stages of their business, so they might still work a 9 to 5. If somebody works a 9 to 5, they're not going to want to meet Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You might have to meet them at 10 p.m. their time, right? I done closed some deals during like late night. I've closed deals on Saturday, on Sunday, days I didn't even want to meet. But when it comes to growing your business, if you're taking this seriously as a business, which I'm assuming you are, make yourself more available. It's very simple. A lot of people sleep on it. A lot of people don't even think about it like that. They're just like, okay, I have my hours where I'm available, and that's that. What if someone can't meet within those hours? You got to remember that everybody is selfish. People only care about themselves. So, you as a funding business owner, you as an aspiring funding business owner, you've got to be in the mindset of, I know these people are selfish. They only care about themselves. Let me meet when they're available, even if it's inconvenient for you. I've had weekends where I didn't want to meet with nobody. I didn't want to meet on Saturday. I didn't want to meet on Sunday, right? But I did what I needed to do, right? I did it, and then I was able to close the deal. We're able to get them funded. Boom, that's cool. This is more so too when it comes to this is why it says universal application, because when it comes to credit repair, majority of these people are pretty much regular consumers. So we could say they're B2C clients, whereas with business funding, a lot of times it might be B2B. But B2C clients, right? They're working their 9 to 5. They're busy from 9 to 5. If you're someone like me, where your business is technically your 9 to 5, They might not be able to meet during the hours that you want to meet them. So you might have to meet them like later on. You got adjust your schedule. Just make more availability on your calendar. You're probably not as busy as you think you are, right? So this was a huge difference maker. I recently had a conversation with somebody saying like, what's some strategies that they can use to get more funding clients. And I said like, make yourself more available. Like simply state and make yourself more available. This goes for any damn business. Like I said, it could be anything where you're dealing with people, right? If it's some e-commerce thing, people are gonna buy when they buy. But any service-based thing where you have to meet people, be available when they are available. It's about them, right? And I just wanted to put this video out because sometimes it's important sometimes we just need a reminder, right? That's something that I spoke about in my book, The Power of Yet. Shameless plug, go get my book, The Power of Yet. So I spoke about that because sometimes some things are just mindfulness, sometimes some things are just mindset, and sometimes, like I said, we just need a reminder. So this is a reminder to you. If you have a funding business, if you have a credit repair business, if you have any type of business, any type of services business, make yourself available for them. It reminds me too. I've talked about him a lot of times. I got a student, Khaled, right? He came to me. We did a one-on-one mentorship when my one-on-one mentorship was only 5,000. He got access to me, got my phone number and everything. We talked about it. We talked about creating a high ticket offer and, the whole nine. He was someone that was a perfect example of someone that followed the blueprint and, went to the next level. So the reason why I'm bringing him up is he got scrappy with it. He would be telling me like, okay, this person is, interested in the credit repair, and then he's meeting them at certain times that might be inconvenient for him. But you got to remember when we're serving people as credit repair people, as funding people, it's about the client. People are selfish. People only care about themselves. They only care about their schedules. So if you're working with somebody, if it's personal funding, if this is B2C, if they don't have no business, if they work a 9 to 5, don't expect them to meet you 9 to 5 if you only have 9 to 5 on your calendar. Make your calendar more available. It doesn't even have to be about your calendar. Like I said, you can get scrappy with it. When you're talking to them, when you're texting them, however you're communicating, if it's in your CRM, whatever, make it known I will meet you with what works for you, right? When you become more selfless, when you're focusing more on value serving to all the clients, when you're looking at it like, okay, this person's busy at this particular time, let me make sure I'm available for them, you're going to get more funding clients than you expect, right? Because it's a numbers game. And like I said, this is my 9 to 5 now. Really, to be fully transparent too, I work more now as a business owner, full-time business owner versus when I had a 9 to 5 because it's like you're always on go. And I've said it before, like, this business stuff, this business shit, entrepreneurship, it's not sweet, right? It's not for everybody. So this is why you got to really stand on your 10 toes and really be a go-getter when it comes to it. So a practical thing I have for y'all today, as you're watching this, if you're feeling me when I'm talking about this, right? You're just like, dang, I can make myself more available. Dang, I can expand my calendar to have maybe 2, 3, 4 more hours of availability, and maybe more people will book, right? When people, this is how life works. Everything's just about human nature. How human nature works. Think about yourself. If you're gonna book a call for something, right? You might be super busy. You got so much stuff going on. Maybe you got kids. Maybe you don't got kids. Maybe you just got school, maybe you got work, you got all this stuff going on, right? You got a million things going on. Maybe you got family stuff, you got so much stuff going on. If you go to that booking link and you don't see a time that's available and convenient for you, there's a good chance that you're going to leave there and then it's not even intentional, but you might never book because you just forgot about the whole thing. So this is human nature. So I want y'all practical activity for you right now. If you have an assistant, have your assistant do it. If you're the person that's doing everything in your business, whoop de doo. You know what I'm saying? So do what you need to do, right? So what you're gonna do, go to your calendar, make sure there's more availability. More availability. You're not as busy as you may think you are, right? Make it more available so these prospects, B2C, B2B, I don't care who they are, so that they can book calls with you. As you have more conversations, it's gonna lead to more money. You know what I'm saying? So Go ahead and do all that. I think it'll definitely work for you. And I think especially those of y'all where you're just like, okay, I just need my first or next funding client. This is what's gonna be able to help you. Be having these conversations. Try to have as many conversations as possible because this is a numbers game, right? So um, do what I said. Hopefully this video helped. If it helped you, let me know. Let me know what your takeaway was. You can come back to the video. Let me know, like, oh, Michael, I made myself more available. And it doesn't even have to just be about the calendar thing, because the calendar thing is passive in a sense, because it's like you're waiting for people to book the call. Be actively engaging. When I'm saying, like, okay, we made our calendar more available, we have people in my DMs, appointment setter, that's actively engaging with people too, right? I'm actively engaging with people. So you still want to be actively engaging with people. If someone says, I work a 9 to 5. I can't do the 2 p.m. that you want to do. When are you available? Right? I will make myself available for you. People just want to know that you care, and you should genuinely care. We're on a mission to help fund $1 billion dollars to small business owners, right? So I obviously can't do this by myself. So this is why I take every interaction I can take and make sure that I'm making myself available for the client, because I'm technically the employee for the client. That's the way I look at it, right? And additional word too, if you are working a 9 to 5 right now while you're building your funding business, I definitely salute you. I used to be there until I was obviously able to out earn my 9 to 5, investing in mentorships and things like that. So just keep going. God is with you. I know God gonna see you through it. You might not see the light at the end of the tunnel right now, but just keep doing what you doing. And I'm gonna leave links below if you're somebody where you're just like, okay, I see everything you're doing. I like, the energy you got. I want more of the jewels that you have. I help people in a 90-day program, one-on-one. You get access to me, access to my phone number and everything. Build your funding business the proper way with the proper systems, the right foundation, and all of that. You get access to my connections and all that, right? I should make it a lot more expensive than it is, but this is an investment for serious people. It's a $10,000 investment. So if that is you, if you're somebody that's willing to get to that next level, you can book a call below. If not, if you're cheap or if you're not cheap or whatever your situation is, if you're someone that's not tapping in, just keep watching my videos. Just keep watching my videos, and hopefully you're able to get there eventually. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.